welcome back. It's me, the Plant Lady. Please remember to like and subscribe to watch further videos of the AeroGarden. Today, I am going to be unboxing the AeroGarden Harvest XL. This isn't the biggest one that they have, but I saw my mother-in-law's. Again, I get a lot of my tips from my mother-in-law. I saw hers and I had to try this one out. And again, with Cyber Monday, I had to buy it. It was on sale, a very good sale. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Like always, we have our quick setup guide. We have our gourmet herbs. And I went ahead and purchased some sweet bell peppers as well. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my other AeroGarden that I have, only because it is smaller. I want to use this bigger one for my bell peppers, my sweet red and green bell peppers. Then we have our Harvest XL adapter, our wall adapter. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, but I am not going to plug it up yet to the machine. This beautiful AeroGarden. I'm so excited about trying this one out. Alright, this always gets me. It's always so tangled. But I'm sure it's the way that I'm opening it up. Alright, here we go. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take out this beautiful AeroGarden. This has many parts, so I'm not sure how to do this. We are going to learn together. I love that everything comes so wrapped up so nicely. These are the bars to make it go up higher. It's the terrain bars, I believe it's called. It's supposed to keep your plants more stabilized. You see? That's kind of exciting for me because my tomato ones, I'm going to go ahead and look and see if they have something like this for the tomato ones, especially since my tomatoes like to bend over. I'm thinking about making maybe a little stick, get a little popsicle stick, wrap it around, and make sure that it doesn't break over like one of my other branches did. All right, this one has 6 pods. Here's the water filter right here. Well, where we put the water, where we put the food. Perfect. All this tape would be so much easier to remove if I didn't bite my nails. Okay, I see the filter down here is in. Perfect. Sometimes it's not in all the way, so I just want to make sure that it was. Here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and raise it all the way up. Oh, this is nice. They give you some little holes. So you got to pick these ones out so that you can stick the terrain one in here. I'm going to see. Let me go ahead and just try to put this together really quick. I wish I had taken a second to read the directions and everything. Sometimes I tend to just think, oh, I can figure it out on the fly. You know, I'd rather sometimes challenge myself and see if I can figure it out on my own. methods are different. You'll notice some people put the pods in first. Some people put the water in first like I do. I put the food and the water in first. Again, you can do it whichever way you want, but I would say hold off until the end to plug it in. Okay, so now I'm putting my bell peppers. Ooh, I want to show you. Again, we have our plant food. Today, I'm going to use my plant food because I still have some from the other AeroGardens that I've had. So I want to make sure I use that up first and save them because they really do last. Here we have our seed pod kit instructions. Okay, so they gave me some spacers, mainly because the bell peppers are bigger. Because I have 2 bell peppers and I believe, oh yeah, they all are green bell peppers. Oh, I thought they were going to be red and green, but that's fine with me. I'm using filtered water. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it all the way up to the fill line. I know you cannot see it, but when you're looking inside of it, it tells you fill to here. So. My husband filled up my water and he filled it all the way to the top. So there's definitely some spillage because I'm tinier than he is. So I cannot hold such large things when it weighs so much. And this one is it's a larger tank than the other ones. So I might have to add more water. But I can do that straight from the fridge. I guess I shouldn't have put on the drains yet because I still want to go ahead. This is way smarter. Go ahead and take this thing off. Pour the water in here. I cannot believe I never did this before. Again, I'm sure if I read the manual, I would have. It's always fun to learn something new as you go along. Okay, I am going to put, since they're all 8 to 14 days before they start to sprout, I'm going to try to put one up here, maybe one over here in the middle. And maybe one back here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my plant food. I'm going to shake it really well. And I have to use my spacers for the other ones because we don't want anything to get into the empty slots. And I heard fungus builds up and bacteria and stuff. So, and let me tell you, these spacers are fabulous. The normal ones that you get, they're not this nice looking or sturdy. So I'm loving this. And they gave me multiple, so I might use it for my other pods if it fits it. Because I do have one space that is open on my pod. All right, time to get some food. It says 1 capsule. That's how much I'm going to put in here. I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up. This one goes to the pump, and this one is the outlet cord. Okay, I'm gonna go up to the front so I can program this. Oh, this one doesn't have it where you can program it. It automatically does it, so I'm glad I did it at this time because I believe it goes off for about 16 hours. Again, this is the AeroGarden XL. I purchased mine on Amazon. It was on sale. I think it's still on sale, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching The Plant Lady. Bye.